Top methods for cleaning your debt. Eliminating debt is one of the most important financial moves you can make to secure a stable and prosperous future. Carrying debt can be a major burden, preventing you from investing, saving, or enjoying financial freedom. Whether you're dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or personal loans, there are proven methods to clean your debt efficiently. Here are the top methods to eliminate debt and regain financial control. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. The Debt Snowball Method. The debt snowball method is an effective way to pay off debt by focusing on small wins to build momentum. This strategy involves paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Once the smallest debt is cleared, you roll the payment into the next smallest debt, gradually increasing the amount you put toward each balance. This approach helps you stay motivated as you see progress early on, which can keep you committed to becoming debt-free. The psychological benefits of seeing debts disappear one by one provide motivation to continue, making it an excellent choice for those who need encouragement along the way. The Debt Avalanche Method. Unlike the Debt Snowball Method, the Debt Avalanche Method focuses on eliminating debt with the highest interest rate first. This approach saves you the most money in interest payments over time. You make minimum payments on all debts while putting any extra money toward the highest interest debt. Once that debt is paid off, you move on to the next highest interest debt, continuing until all debts are cleared. This method is the most cost-effective strategy for long-term savings, as it reduces the amount you pay in interest over time. If you have high-interest credit card debt, this is the best way to tackle it quickly and efficiently. Debt consolidation loans. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This simplifies repayment by reducing the number of payments you need to manage each month. Many banks, credit unions, and online lenders offer debt consolidation loans, which can make debt repayment more manageable. Be sure to compare interest rates and loan terms before choosing a consolidation option to ensure you're truly saving money. Debt consolidation can also improve your credit score if you make consistent payments and reduce your overall credit utilization. Balance transfer credit cards. A balance transfer credit card allows you to transfer high-interest credit card debt to a new card with a lower or 0% introductory interest rate. This can provide temporary relief from interest charges, allowing you to pay off your balance faster. To make the most of this strategy, aim to pay off the balance before the introductory period ends to avoid higher interest rates later. Be mindful of balance transfer fees, and only use this method if you are disciplined enough to avoid adding more debt to the new card. Cut unnecessary expenses and increase payments. One of the simplest ways to accelerate debt repayment is to cut unnecessary expenses and direct that money towards your debts. Reviewing your monthly expenses and eliminating non-essential spending, such as dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases, can free up additional funds to pay off debt faster. Creating a strict budget and sticking to it can make a significant impact on your financial situation. Redirecting any extra cash towards your debt, rather than spending it on luxury items, ensures that you get out of debt sooner. Negotiate lower interest rates. Many creditors are willing to negotiate lower interest rates if you have a good payment history. Calling your credit card company or lender and requesting a lower interest rate can save you money over time. If you have a high credit score or a long history with the lender, you may be able to secure a reduced rate, making it easier to pay down your debt. Lower interest rates mean more of your payment goes toward the principal balance, accelerating your debt repayment. Increase your income with a side hustle. Earning extra income through a side hustle can help you pay off debt faster, whether it's freelancing, selling products online, driving for a rideshare service, or offering consulting services. Additional income can be directed toward debt repayment. Even small amounts of extra money can make a big difference in reducing debt over time. Consider using all the extra income you earn from a side hustle to pay off debt aggressively. Use windfalls and bonuses to pay off debt. When you receive unexpected money, such as tax refunds, work bonuses, or monetary gifts, Consider using it to pay down debt instead of spending it on non-essential purchases. Large lump sum payments can significantly reduce your principal balance and save you money in interest payments over the long run. If you plan for these financial windfalls, you can use them strategically to knock out large portions of your debt all at once. Stick to a strict budget and track expenses. Creating and maintaining a budget is key to staying on track with debt repayment. Tracking your expenses helps identify spending habits that can be adjusted to free up more money for debt payments. Using budgeting apps or spreadsheets can provide better financial awareness and help ensure that every dollar is used effectively. The more intentional you are with your money, the easier it will be to eliminate debt and stay out of it in the future. Seek professional financial advice. If you're struggling with debt repayment, consider seeking help from a financial advisor or credit counseling service. They can provide guidance on managing debt, negotiating with creditors, and creating a personalized repayment plan. Some nonprofit credit counseling agencies offer free or low-cost services to help individuals get back on track financially. A financial expert can also help you restructure your budget and provide a detailed strategy tailored to your financial situation. Sell unused assets to generate extra cash. Most people have items they no longer use that could be sold for extra money. Selling unwanted electronics, furniture, or even clothing can provide a quick cash boost that can go directly toward paying off debt. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist make it easy to sell items locally or to a wider audience. Turning clutter into cash not only simplifies your living space, but also speeds up your journey to being debt-free. Avoid accumulating new debt. While paying off existing debt, it is crucial to avoid accumulating new debt. This means being mindful of your credit card usage, avoiding unnecessary loans, and resisting lifestyle inflation. Living within your means and focusing on financial discipline will ensure that you don't fall back into the cycle of debt after working hard to pay it off. Final thoughts. Take control of your debt and your future. Becoming debt-free requires discipline, consistency, and a strategic plan. By choosing the right method and making smart financial decisions, you can eliminate debt and set yourself up for long-term financial success. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll enjoy financial freedom and the ability to use your money for wealth building instead of interest payments. Stick to your plan, stay committed, and watch your financial future improve dramatically. The path to financial freedom is within your reach if you take the necessary steps today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.